Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on owl in English. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Now let's start the topic. Owl is a bird. It has brown, grey, black and white feathers. It has round head, flat face and large eyes. Owl can see in the dark and at night. It has sharp and curved beak. A sound of owl is hoots. Owl sleeps during the daytime and hunts at night. Owl lives in trees and tunnels. It has excellent eyesight and hearing. Owl eats small animals like frog, insects, fish, etc. Thanks for watching.